Hey, so today gonna go out there and do one of my customers from last year's backyard.
AllCoastLawncare.
Oh, hey, look, this is my my storage shed right here. It's a 8 by 24 foot cargo trailer, enclosed, double axle. I use this one for storage right here. Okay, so everybody's talking about, oh, I need a storage shed. You know, like, you know, y'all could use anything. You know what I mean? You could use a cargo trailer if you want. So I got this cargo hitch right there with the ramp. I did a video on it just in case, like if you want to side hustle with a push mower, you know, or in this case I'm doing pressure washing now. I may want to put the pressure washer on there. But my wife told me, the boss, the wife, you know what I mean? She goes, why don't you just put it in the back of the pickup truck? Yeah, I guess so, because it saves me time. Hey, time is money, right? That's like a little hassle trying to fit inside the little square of the freaking hitch, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna make it simple and just put it in the back of the pickup truck. So I saw this technique from Dan. He's a lawn care guy that I follow on YouTube. When I first started, I started watching his videos. He just teaches the basics. So he did a video like how to put a push mower in back of a pickup truck. So I'm just gonna try that technique without using too much of her back. Basically, he lifts up right here. Well, I guess it ain't gonna work. This is supposed to like stand right here. So that's not gonna work. I'm supposed to like lean on there, and then I pick it up from the back and I push it in. But I guess my pickup truck is a little bit too high. So we're just gonna muscle it, pick up the whole thing. Hey, lift with your legs, tighten up the core, and lift up. Don't try your best not to use your back. Hey, do your best not to use your back loading the mower in the truck like this. There you go, that wasn't bad. Here we go. Just Stihl FS 91R string trimmer. FC 96 edger. All right, so I got the push mower with the bagger on top. I got my gasoline fuel, non-ethanol, and this back jug. I got my mixed fuel right there. Got my blower in the back. That's a BG 86C Stihl blower. Okay, and I got my edger and my string trimmer right here. Hey, look, that's all you need, man. Just go mow some lawns. All right. I mean, you don't need new equipment. You could just do it with used equipment. All right. Look on Facebook, Craigslist. There's like used equipment out there. That's what I started out with. I started out with that Aaron's 46-inch riding mower, a Echo Pass 22 string trimmer, and a Ryobi edger. All that was used. And I bought that Toro I told you about. That was used also. That push mower was the most expensive. It was $500 used. I meant to say Aaron's riding mower. It was like over a decade old and it's still running. Okay, it was doing a job. It got me started in side hustling. You know, and hey, your side hustle could grow into a business, all right? Hey, that's all I got. Organization. I got a rake. I just threw a rake back here to rake leaves for that other customer I'm gonna go check on. And I got my cone back there. All right, so I parked my truck on the side of the road. I'm gonna put my cone on the side. I got a tarp and a big trash bag. All right, because you never know. All right. may use a tarmac trash bag just for like debris or leaves. But all right, y'all. So I'm gonna go and take off and let's go mow some grass. Alright, so I'm done. So hey, so just be careful, y'all. So there's like a lot of rocks right here on the side. Alright, so remember to walk the ground and pick up rocks, little pebbles, alright? So this should just be like a one-time thing if you're gonna first start off with a new customer. Like the second time you come out, like all the rocks should be cleaned up and everything. Alright. Just be careful, okay? If you wanna pick a rock with the string trimmer or the mower and damage your customer's window, now you're paying for a window, so you gotta basically after like 5 times of mowing your yard, you're gonna pay off that window, so you're mowing for free. Alright, so got underneath the table, okay. So I blew off the excess grass right here, the big old clumps. Alright, so that way they can be spread out, that way their dog won't make a mess. It won't bring in like a lot of grass inside the house when it comes outside and goes back inside. Hey, thanks for watching from the beginning. If you're still here watching this video, thanks for keeping up with me. Hey, so that's just the backyard, y'all. So usually this yard is $70 front and back, edging and string trimming, and mowing, of course, and blowing off the debris off the sidewalk and the driveway and the porch, you know, those clippings. So just a backyard alone, y'all. I mean, what would you charge? You know, 50 bucks just for the backyard for like the to come over. You know what I mean? You could set that as a price, you know what I mean? Hey, if I come over and do something, it's gonna start off at $50. You know, and if it's high growth, you could charge an extra 5, 10, or whatever you want to do, y'all. But there's a faithful customer of ours. We used to keep maintenance her old house. She moved over here. She wanted us to, you know, keep up with the her new house. And she was like, oh, just go and pay the regular price, you know what I mean? So, you know, like, hey, you know, like your customers, those are the customers you want to keep, right? You take care of them, they'll take care of you, okay? I did a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? You know, just for the fact she called us back. And look, there's a Lawncare. I'm looking at a trailer over here right across from me, and that's a Lawncare guy. You know, she could have called him right across the street. You know, their neighbors, I'm sure they talk, but you know, like, they're loyal. You know, customer like this, y'all, is loyal. You know what I mean? These are the customers you want to keep. You know, take care of them, and they'll take care of you. They'll take care of your business, you know, by continuing to use your services or your side hustle. So hey, if you like this video, please hit like, leave a comment. Always leave a comment, y'all. If you know somebody starting out lawn care, needs advice, this is a how-to channel. Like, you know, I'm sharing my past experiences. You know, when I first started out, my trial and errors, my mistakes, you know, what I did to change my mistakes. Share with them this channel, you know, share with them this video. But hey, y'all, it took a total of like 15 minutes, you know what I'm saying? 15 to 20 minutes just to mow, string trim that right there, okay? It could take even less. I had to pick up like rocks and everything, you know what I'm saying, from the flower garden. You know, their bed right there. You know, so hey, God bless. See you on the next video. Bye.